I wanted to start the new year with a slow reset at home. Nothing dramatic, just small, intentional moments that help my space feel lighter and refreshed. The living room is one of the spaces I use the most, so I like keeping it simple and intentional. Small resets like this help everything feel calm and put together.
Just call and catch a play. I might just come see you today. You wait, I'm stuck up in my ways, but love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you must forever.
A clean kitchen really sets the tone for the rest of the home. These quick resets help keep it feeling functional and easy to maintain.
Just call and catch a play. I might just come see you today. You wait, I'm stuck up in my ways, but love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Do some magic in my mind.
crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way and still I stay. See, my days are cool without you. Without you. My heart can't take no more. I keep on running back. See, my days are cool without you. Without you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you always gone.
I gotta find peace of mind. I know now I have to face. I gotta find peace of mind. Please don't let me disgrace. He says it's impossible. The temptations of my past, but I know it's possible. Will my devotion last? He says there's no me without him. Please help me forget about him. He takes all my energy, trapped in my memory, constantly holding me, constantly holding me. I need to tell you all.
I'm planning on updating my kitchen dining area very soon. You might notice some tape on the floor as I figure out the new layout. Even little adjustments like moving things around and wiping down surfaces help make my space feel fresh while I plan for the next project.
I gotta find peace of mind. Please don't let me disgrace. He says it's impossible. The temptations of my past, but I know it's possible. Will my devotion last to finally be in love and know the real meaning of a lasting relationship, not based on ownership. You love me despite myself. Sometimes I fight myself.
Putting away my laundry right away really helps my space and honestly my mind feel a lot clearer. If only I did it more often.
Someone so immature. I gotta find peace of mind. I know now I have to face. I gotta find peace of mind. Please don't let me disgrace. He says it's impossible. The temptations of my past, but I know it's possible.
Ending a home reset upstairs always feels grounding. This kind of routine is simple, sustainable, and easy to keep up with.
What a merciful God. Every day's another chance to get it right this time.
I hope this home reset felt calm and comforting to watch. If you're easing into the new year, like me, I hope it reminds you that the small routines really do add up. I have a few more exciting home projects planned this year, so stay tuned for lots of fun videos to come. Thanks for spending part of your day with me.